All right, 5.5, the Triangle Inequality Notes. So basically what this says is that the two smallest sides added together have to be larger than the biggest side for it to be a triangle. So in other words, if I take the two smallest sides, 10 and 6, and if I add those together, that would give me 16. 16 is bigger than 11, so yes, that can be a triangle. 10 and 16 are 26. 26 is bigger than 18, so yes, that can be a triangle. 15 and 14 is 29. 29 is not bigger than 30, so no, that cannot be a triangle. So then the other type of question for this is, if you have two sides of a triangle, find the range that the possible third side could be. So there's two things you have to do here. First is, you have to subtract the two numbers. When you subtract, that is 6. So the third side, which I'm going to call x, has to be greater than 6. Then the other thing you do is you add the two numbers. 39 plus 33 would be 72. So then the third side, which is x, has to be less than 72. So the range has to be between 6 and 72. One thing you'll want to pay attention to are your inequality symbols. X is bigger than 6. Remember, the alligator mouth eats the bigger number. And x is smaller than 72. The alligator mouth eats the 72, so it's bigger. Okay, so let's do the next one. 30 and 27, if you subtract, that's 3. If you add, that is 57. So the third side has to be a number that's between these two. One other thing to note, it cannot be equal to those. It's got to be between them. All right, last one. If we subtract, 46 minus 31 is 15. If we add 46 and 31, that is 77. So the third side has to be between 15 and 77. And that's it. Very, very simple lesson, very similar to the other one. You remember largest angles across from the longest side and vice versa. So two very simple lessons here to help you, and then we'll start looking at how to review for the test for this chapter.